Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be making chicken and dumplings in the Instant Pot. It is like the perfect weather for that today. It's like rainy and cold. So I thought I would make this and show you guys how to do it. So let's just go ahead and get started. So we're going to need 4 chicken breasts cubed, or you can just do it from frozen, which is what I'm going to do because I don't really want to wait around to thaw out the chicken. And that's just like the easiest way to do it. So 4 chicken breasts, 4 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock. I'm going to use chicken stock. 2 tablespoons of butter, a cup of carrots and a cup of celery, and 1 medium diced onion. Then you're also going to need, which I just mixed them all together. So you're going to need 1/4 of a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of poultry seasoning, and then 1 can of biscuits, and that is it. These are so fast, these Instant Pot recipes, which I just love, because normally in the crock pot it normally takes a little while, and so it's nice that you can just have this. Prep time is 10 minutes, cook time is 20 minutes for a total of 30 minutes. So that's really good, really fast meals, and so delicious. Who doesn't love chicken and dumplings? Okay, now we're gonna put in our chicken, and if you want you can put like cubed chicken, or you can just do frozen. And I have like these giant chicken breasts, so I'm just gonna do 3, so I feel like that's plenty. Now we're going to add our chicken stock on top of that. So we're gonna need 4 cups of chicken stock. Which I think it'll probably be what I have left in here. So just pouring that in. That was 2 cups. And our other 2. And now we're going to top that with our onion and our celery and carrots. Next we're going to top that with all of our seasonings. So this is the onion powder, garlic powder, and our poultry seasoning. So I'm just going to sprinkle that in. And then also I'm going to add some salt and pepper to that. So I'm just grabbing my pepper and my salt. I'm just in like 2 big pinches. That was it. Super easy. Just throw it all in there. I love that. Just super fast, quick. You're in a hurry. So we're just going to turn our lid. Make sure that if you have the Instant Pot, you sealed your valve. And we're going to put it on manual or pressure cook for 15 minutes. Now we're going to open up our biscuits. Oh my god. It scared the shit out of me. Okay. We're going to cut our biscuits and roll into balls. I'm just going to cut them into 4s, and then just roll it into a ball. I don't normally roll them into a ball, but we're going to do it. I normally just drop them in there, but I've never made chicken and dumplings in an Instant Pot before. This thing is just the best. I just love comfort food. This is like one of my favorite comfort foods. It reminds me of the holidays and it being cold, which is our favorite. I'm just going to finish up these biscuits, and then I'm going to wait for our timer to go off, and then I will come back and we'll finish up. It smells so good in here. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Okay, so I'm going to turn this off, and then I'm going to go down to saute mode. We're going to do that for 5 to 10 minutes, just kind of see how long. I'm going to set it for 10 minutes just in case. Because I didn't chop my chicken, I'm going to need to take my chicken out and shred it. So I'm just going to take that out. Ooh, that looks so good. So I'm gonna just start dropping in my pieces of dough and just try to keep them away from each other. If you wanna get fancy with it, you can make your own dough from scratch. My grandma used to do that. If you're wanting something a little faster, I just recommend like getting the dough from the biscuits. Now those are all in, and I'm just gonna shred this chicken. Now our chicken is all shredded, and that just shreds so easy. I'm just gonna top it with a little bit more of pepper and some more salt. Just stir it up one more time. So I'm just gonna scoop some of that into our bowl. Yummy. I can't wait to try it. Okay, now for the taste test. It's gonna be extremely freaking hot. The dumplings are my favorite part. It's so good. Okay guys, let me know what you guys think about this Instant Pot chicken and dumpling recipe. Let me know if you guys try it out and what you think in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I look good on this thing, right?